Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add the BMW M4 to GTA 5. First, you will need to gather a few essential tools. We'll start by understanding the core software required, like OpenRoman4, which is crucial for accessing and modifying game files. Then, we'll prepare your game environment to ensure a smooth and safe installation process, preventing any potential issues with your game. This foundational setup is key for successful modding. To begin, download OpenRoman4, a powerful tool that allows you to edit GTA 5's game archives. Next, you will need script-hook V and a native trainer, which enable in-game mod functionality and vehicle spawning. It is highly recommended to create a dedicated mods folder within your main GTA 5 directory. This simple step helps isolate your modifications, making it much easier to manage and troubleshoot any changes you make. Once your tools are ready, find a reputable BMW M4 mod file from a trusted GTA 5 modding website. These files typically come with clear installation instructions. Open OpenRoman4 and navigate to the specified game path, usually within the Update folder, to replace or add the vehicle files. Carefully follow the mod's README file, as each mod might have slightly different steps for successful integration into your game. With the mod installed, launch GTA 5. Once in the game, press the designated key, usually F8, to open the native trainer menu. Navigate through the options to find the vehicle spawner section. Here, you should see a list of vehicles, including your newly added BMW M4. Select it by its model name, and your custom car will instantly appear, ready for you to drive and enjoy in the game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.